comes to local experiences, I like to organize everything on my own, but today we're gonna try something different. In today's video, we're gonna be exploring the Horton Plains National Park. The next couple of days I'm gonna be staying in GlenRock. Instead of having to decide what activities we're gonna do, we are gonna let their expertise guide the way. When you come to the Horton Plains, there's so many activities that you can do, guys, such as Balangoda Falls, which are the biggest waterfall in Sri Lanka. After being really taken care of when it comes to transportation, and after a beautiful welcome tea. Oh, what is this? Thank you so much. Let's go for an adventure. We have our buddy Tito here, who is gonna be the leader of every expedition that we're doing right now. Thank you. So here we have our badass method of transportation. Ah,
Yeah.
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 Hello. Okay, first stop that we're doing today. Hey guys, how you doing? First stop that we're going today is called Pahanthudawa Falls. Pahanthudawa Falls. This is very close to where we were staying, and it's just a very short ride, but it's very enjoyable, guys. It's a beautiful way down. The best thing to do is like the way that we're doing it right now. It's just like get the car, get a little bit closer. You pay the entrance over there, and then we continue a little bit down until we get to this beautiful river. So then continuing this hike, guys, to try to read the waterfall. Yup. This is starting to get pretty, eh? Look at this. Wow. Oh, hoy. Is this it? Nice. Where is the highest place I can jump from?
Really?
You reckon if I go all the way up I can jump to the pool? Yeah. Bro, look at the little snake over there. Wow. I'll try how deep it is and go. Yeah. Finished because now it's raining a lot. So let's go back to the hotel, have some food, and let's talk about the next experience that we're gonna have. So welcome to my crib, guys. This is an amazing room. I think it's so far the best place that I stayed in Sri Lanka. I love to do local stuff, and I love the hassle of being outside with the backpack and try to do everything by my own. But I have to tell you that this is one of the most worth experiences that I've ever had so far. We are in the middle of the forest, guys. I have the river down there. I have a little balcony completely private for me. Let me show you. Oh, this is my morning coffee place. One of the disadvantages of being in November here in this region is that it's kind of rainy almost all the time. So we only have like this beautiful, beautiful weather early morning, and around 12 o'clock to 1, 2, 3, it gets rainy again. Yesterday, since we had a few hours of transportation to come here, we stopped in a couple of places, and then we did a few activities here. So we had a quick dinner and we went to sleep. So today we have a lot of energy to go for it. So positive vibrations up, let's go. they are making our Sri Lankan breakfast. Oh, this is it? So,
Pumpkin.
pumpkin?
Yes.
Oh,
So, beetroot. This one.
beetroot, pumpkin, rice,
It's a red rice.
red rice.
Yes.
Wow. And this is one meal? Like you eat, this is breakfast?
Yes.
A lot of breakfast.
This one also.
And then you have a little bit of dal, no? This? And this is the coconut. Oh my gosh. How, Rachel? How? If there is a definition that you first eat with your eyes rather than with your mouth, this is it. Look at the colors of everything. It's actually getting quite cold right now, guys. What a change of the scenery. Look at all of this. Tita, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Is it the first time you're here as
This is
well?
my first time.
Ah, this is beautiful. Well, kiddos, we just made it to the Balangoda viewpoint. We're approximately like 10 kilometers from where we were in the hotel, and the views are incredible. Right now we are on the top of the mountain. There's some local people here. Hey guys, all good? Rachel taking the videos as well. This is fantastic. We have some temples going on at the end. We have like tea plantations all the way down. And if we continue this route apparently we also will get to Kandy. It's a beautiful, beautiful activity to have a little peek of how everything looks like. So now, look at this. The Horton place is on the other area, right?
That area.
So it's like, I think it's the final shots that I got with the drone over there. And where are we heading now?
We are going for that
Secret.
that is secret. Yes, secret place. Ancient or king's secret place.
Tito, the man of mystery.
There's multiple places in here that has been actually discovered by local people, but if you put that properly as a tour attraction, everyone will come in here. They know one of the attractions that are supposed to be here, and he says like a treasure.
King's treasure.
Kings are used to hide their treasures in there.
Kings used to hide the treasures there, and now the real treasure is going there.
It's me!
Alright guys, we're on our journey right now to find the secret pools, the treasure area, where we have no idea what... Look at this. There it goes. We have no idea what it is yet, but we're supposed to walk for a few hundred meters, and we cannot say to anyone exactly where we are. You want to know what the place is? GlenRock Hotel! It's really cool. We're going actually through all the tea plantations. Wow, this is so big, man. Oof, the drone here would be insane.
You see, that is the Balangoda viewpoint.
Ah. Oh, you can hear the water down here already. Wow, mate. Look at all of this. This is so vast. Whoa. Look at that.
It's insane.
Wow. You know, the cool thing is you actually have many places like this. I've met local people that always say like, we found out like a place that have like many pools that you can have a few swims, but we don't want to tell too many people because then it becomes a tourist attraction. Sri Lanka is so big in terms of natural wonders that you find everywhere. It's absolutely normal that with many tourists not actually ever popping in this area, these are a little bit unexplored. So look at this stuff. This is gorgeous. I think some ladies are actually washing some clothes and cleaning the clothes, and then we have like some pools and waterfalls going on there. So hopefully we can have a little swim. Can we swim? This was really fun. This was really fun. This was really fun. I actually really enjoyed this. What do you think?
Yeah, I loved it. It is so nice because you're right in the tea plantations, you have jungle, you have fresh water, like it was such a vibe.
So nice as well, guys, that like there's no tourists, and it felt like for the first, well, not for the first time, but like it's one of the first times usually traveling where like you're somewhere that you are in something that is unexplored. You had people, we took a little bit longer to swim because there were actually people bathing themselves in here. It's been a very lovely and local experience so far. But now it's time to leave the waterfalls and it's time to go for another type of bath. We are back in GlenRock. Guys, this pool that we're gonna have a little swim right now, it's been here for over 100 years. It's created actually by the natural course of the river that is flowing here on the back. It stopped raining 10 minutes ago, guys. So now, time to get wet for us. What a morning, huh? Time is up, guys. After 3 or 4 activities doing here on the Horton Plains, I think it's time for me to actually move on to the next location, which is the beautiful city of Kandy. If you come to this national park, guys, you need to know that there are multiple activities that you can do. So pick your own battles. There's so many of them. Don't feel guilty if you don't do some of them, because you could easily spend here a couple of weeks and you will not have done all of it. We selected like a couple of waterfalls, viewpoints, and a couple of things that give us like a little bit of a perspective of how the place looks like. But there is so much more you can do. Don't stop researching about the Horton Plains. You have more waterfalls, you have 2-day hikes, you have many activities that you can do and actually enjoy the place if you're a lover of nature. Just be careful with leeches. In any case, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the adventure. We're finally getting into one of the most famous places here in Sri Lanka. So, see you in Kandy, guys.